जों tabuk ruling government tongoi tongo tabuk chini 125th 6th schedule amendment abo जों निजिबो request खालामनायनि बागै त्रिपुरा गभर्नमेन्ट नंगै हरजाक है tabuk पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट तो 10टा एडीसी इलाका न माने टेरिटोरियल इलाका खालामनायनि बागै थांगै तंथनिवो जों अबश्यनो तिनि TTAADC abonabo त्रिपुरा टेरिटोरियल काउन्सिल लंथं abono teyakoi जों वानसुकजाक ताई abono teyakoi जों सीट बारेनन व्यापारा जों स्पेशली सावा जेहेतु कार्बी आंलं नागा हिल आजागो 50टा सीट खाइजाक जों tabuk त्रिपुरा टेरिटोरियल काउन्सिल खांखाइबो सीट बांथं प्लस चिनि tabuk एडीसीओ 19टा दफ्तर न बांगदुवै mang खांखाइ 50टा दफ्तर खाइनि रिक्वेस्ट हरजाक दंगो आजागा 44 डिपार्टमेंट बरक रनान बागै वानसुक लाइखा abon bagai जों नायो चिनि TTAADC न त्रिपुरा टेरिटोरियल काउन्सिल खाइमानि यागलो सीट बांथं abo जेसाकेफानो 50टा जों साकबायथां न त्रिपुरा गभर्नमेन्ट न रिक्वेस्ट खालायाखै त्रिपुरा गभर्नमेन्ट नि विधानसभा बिल पास खाइ रेहका एवं जों IPF तबो अपनो नायो फियाबा ताबुक GMP गणमुक्ति परिषद नेंगै बरक जे सामानि बरक माने त्रिपुरा टेरिटोरियल काउन्सिल उंफानो abo सीट बांखाइ चाया बांगै तंथं नै जे सामानो जों साना नायो tabuk जों दिनार पर दिन जतनो उन्नति उंखा चिनि त्रिपुराबो जरा काइसाव 3टा डिस्ट्रिक्ट तंमानि दलाइनो रुइ 4टा खलाइका aboni yaglo tabuk 4टा डिस्ट्रिक्ट न आसा 8टा डिस्ट्रिक्ट खलाइका tabuk 3टा डिस्ट्रिक्ट होइते 8टा डिस्ट्रिक्ट त्रिपुरा तंगै तंगो abo काहामनि बागैनो खलाइजागो फियाबा 30टा सीट 50टा सीट उंथं aboni जे हामिया गणमुक्ति परिषद दक बरक जुदि अब हाइख्लाइ सीट बांगमानो चाजागि आंगै तंखांखाय जों अकगनो साना नायो आसले बरक चिनि दफानि हेकेबा चिनि त्रिपुरानि बरक के उन्नति नाइया हयतो बरकनि पार्टी न बरक जास्ट रमै तननि साथे अकगवान सुखाना जों सावो चिनि त्रिपुरा तबो सीट बांथं नांखांखांखाय एवं बरक आजागा कारण काइसा फनुगो ताबुक जुदि न 28टा सीट न 44टा दैट इज 28टा इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स तंथानिवो 44टा इलेक्टेड मेंबर प्लस 6 जना जे नॉमिनेटेड राज्यपाल बाय खाइजाक माने टोटल 50टा आबनो बरक ऑनरियम रक नि मैटर तंगो रां पैसानि प्रॉब्लेम नै हनै जे सामानि आबो जोंखाय साना नाया आबो कोनो जुक्तिओ खलाइया ताबुक 30 जन एडीसी नि जे मेंबर्स संने ऑनरियम आबो एक्सपर्ट चिनि 6 शेड्यूल नि रूल्स मते सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट प्लस त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट नंगैना इनिशिएटिव नाजागै तंगो प्रोवाइडिंग खलाइजागै तंगो ताबुक 30टा न 50टा खलाइका हंगैबो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट अवश्य वानसुकनाय बंगने ऑनरियम नि व्यापार आबो कैसे पार्टी अंगै बा कैसे दल नि अंगै वानसुकनाय कुन प्रश्न बचाया आबो जस्ट बरक अजहात फुनुक मानि बागै सिमिसि आबन बागै जों सानाय बरक जे कक साइतंमान आबो बेसलेस वर्ड सारा त्रिपुरा न करै सारा भारत नि जत त्रिपुरा टेरिटोरियल काउन्सिल हाय जत टेरिटोरियल काउन्सिल नै रगन चाजागै तंहंखाय बरक जे चाजागै आंगै तंमाने सीट बारि माना अब अवश्य न बंगनि कैसे पार्टी नि नेरो माइंडेड नि बागै न अंगै तंगना नै जों वानसुक थांबाय
Mangalore, we are seeing that in recent days, so many BJP workers they have been shifted their party to IPFT. So the ADC election is also coming. So what is the reaction on that? Because you are having because you have promised for Tipraland, separate Tipraland, though you are not right now also in that position to acclaim yourself that yes we are fulfilling our demand, but though the situation is right now is existing, though you are getting a very huge kind of a response from the general Tiprasa people from across the state. So what is the main reason behind that?
Actually, thank you very much. I on behalf of myself and on behalf of our party would like to say about that matter that actually all Tiprasa we are bound to think to create Tipraland. That is our demand from IPFT party. We are demanding Tipraland to create 6 schedule area based on Article 2 and 3. And regarding that matter, maximum BJP, CPM and other party, those are the Kokbrak speaking people or Tiprasa nation, they are comes and join with our party only because of that we want to save our land, we want to save our identity. That's why they are their party and join with us. And some few days ago in Chakmagat under Telumra division, around 3,500 from BJP, CPM and other party. They joined our party. And not only that, some few days ago, that is last 2nd February at Ambassa Division, what that Bakmara Bazaar. There also the BJP and some INPT and some are from CPIM. They also joined with us, and we also heard that 2 or 300 maximum 2 or 300 more BJP and CPM and INPT supporter, they also wanting to join with us. That because actually for survival of our Tipasa nation and to save our soil and land and to save our identity crisis, that's only because they are wanting to join with us.
Okay, Mangalbabu, this is a very crucial question which people actually want to know from across the state. That apart from the common minimum program which you have decided and the Bubagra has decided and you have shared a common stage also earlier, right now on that demand, particularly on Tipra land, whether Bubagra is with you or not?
Actually, Bubagra, some few days ago, he was from representative or president of Congress party now. Now we are just hearing that he has no with any party, neither Congress nor our party nor any party. But he is just forming a social organization, namely TIPRA, TIPRA, the Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance, I think. And actually, in demanding of TIPRA land, we just only IPFT party alone is fighting or demanding for TIPRA land. Bubagra actually he will support to us or not support. There is no sure. No sure.
He didn't.
No.
He didn't.
He neither said that I am
With you.
I am with IPFT
Okay.
or any other party. We are expecting not only Bubagra but also all Tipasa nation, they may support to us because of in demanding Tipra land to save our soil and land.
Thank you.